Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Viewers, right now in front of you HP LaserJet P1102 printer. The problem is with that printer, if I will give the print command, okay, give the print command, you will see it's printing totally black page. As you can see, I will print again to make sure that you will see it's printing. Yes, you can see it's printing black page, total black page. Uh, Today I will tell you what is the problem in the printer, why it's printing the black pages and how to fix it. Stay tuned and watch the complete video. Welcome to Smart Tech. Guys, first of all, this LaserJet P1102 and the same other model P1005. The same functions, everything is same. So if you find the difficulty or if you find the same problem in 1005, you should follow the same steps to fix that issue. Guys, I will unplug the tuner. Okay, as you can see, I will show you the interior of the printer. There are two sensors that is touching the tuner. One sensor is this, okay, and one is here. If you can see with the light, I will mention with the screwdriver. Hold on. Yes, guys. One, this is this sensor, okay, and one is here. The upper sensor is went inside, so it's not touching the tuner, so that's why the printer is printing totally black page. Understand? Look, if I press, it's go inside. Okay, fine. This sensor is went inside but didn't came out, so we will move this, pull this sensor out, so then this sensor will touch the tuner, this area. You can see this is the tuner. The left side you can see one metal. Sensor will touch this metal, then it will not print the black page. So with the help of tweezer or help of flat screwdriver, we will pull this sensor out, okay, then our issue will be resolved. So just I take the tweezer and we will move this out. I will show you. Hold on. Yes, guys, this I have tweezer. That was the sensor I was talking about. You can see this sensor is out, okay, and this sensor went inside. We will pull this sensor out slowly with carefully, that will not damage the sensor. Okay, look, it came out. It was little stuck inside, now it came out. So now I am pushing it and making sure that it's not stuck inside again. So you have to make sure that it should not stuck again. Okay, guys, look, you can see, okay, it's now came out. Okay, same like these two sensors are very important. One of them is if went inside or stuck inside, not coming out, not touching the tuner, then our printer will print totally black page. It will waste the tuner, or it can damage your drum of the tuner also. So guys, I pulled this sensor back. Now we will insert our tuner again and to check the print quality, and we will see that either it's printing fine or not. Hold on, let me fix back the tuner. This is, I insert the tuner back. Okay, now I will give the print command from my computer. Let it be ready first, then we will print the test page to make sure that either it's printing black page or fine quality. This guy, I gave the command. Okay, as you can see, no more black page. See, this is printing fine. Before it was printing black page, now it's printing fine. So these was the two sensors you have to check first. Sometimes the sensor became broke with the massive use of putting the wrong tuner or wrong tuner cartridge, wrong number. So in that case, if you find your sensor is broken, you have to open this side cover and remove the motherboard outside, then fix the sensor from this side. But mostly it's coming from inside. You can pull it. If it's not broken, then you can fix your problem without taking your printer at service center. Hope you understand the method. I will repeat again, the same method will apply on 1005 or any kind of printer if you are using 85 number tuner or 35, 36, 83. So all numbers of tuners of number, if the printers have you can use the same method. Okay guys, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Will reply your answer queries, will give the answers. Take care, bye.